Hi everyone, it's Milani and welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing some lip products. I got these from Target. They were $5.99. You get two in a set, and these are the O'Keefe Lip Repair Cooling Relief All Day Moisture in One Use Lip Balms. That's not the whole entire name. I just added everything that was written here. But these are just the O'Keefe's Lip Repair Lip Balms. I am a lip balm, lip treatment, lip product junkie. I love anything that has to do with your lips, especially treating it. I don't like dry lips. I don't like chapped lips. I don't like cracked lips. Nobody does. I haven't met one person that's like, yes, give me dry, cracked, chapped lips. I've yet to meet that person that has approached me saying, yeah, I love cracked lips. So I'm always very, let me try that, especially when it's from the drugstore, because I like recommending affordable products for you guys. Now, I've been testing this out for a little bit, and I'm very sad to say that I do not like this product. I would not recommend it. And the reason I wouldn't recommend it is if you're someone like me and you are looking for a lip balm, a lip product that's going to hydrate and moisturize your lips, you need that product to melt into your lips. You need it to really work in. This product smells amazing. I love the packaging. I love everything about it. I love the price. I do not like the formula. The formula is very waxy. It's waxy to the point that I don't feel like it's hydrating. It's just sitting on there, and it's that uncomfortable waxy feel. I don't feel like it's doing anything at all. I've tried it so many times. I've had this in my possession for weeks, and I can't get into it. Like, I cannot. I try it every so often thinking maybe something will change. It's not. If you're someone that is looking for a lip balm that not to hydrate your lips, but something that's going to stay on, then I guess this is worth trying. But for me, I need my lip balms, I need my lip products to moisturize. I need it to penetrate into my lips. I need it to do its job. I don't need something that's going to be super waxy but just smell good to just sit on there, because it's a very uncomfortable, heavy feeling. So for that reason, I can't recommend this. I wouldn't recommend this. It's not doing what it says it's supposed to do. That's just my opinion. That's my experience. So I really hope this video helps some of you guys. If you have any good, affordable lip treatment recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to try it out and check it out for you guys. But as far as trying this, I would definitely pass on it. So I'm going to end this here. Please don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.